What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to talk about concrete. We're going to talk about construction, the cost of construction. I want you to tell me how much you think it's going to cost to pour a 306-foot driveway with a circle driveway with a bunch of other stuff. We're rolling up on it right now. This is my house. I can tell you that we budgeted $650 for the house. Supposed to be 4,200 square foot, close to 6,200 square foot with a driveway, and we're close to $2.5 million right now. So what does that mean? Look what we got. We got concrete and steel rolling up here right now. We are hitting it at the perfect timing. I'm excited right now because we've got lots of concrete getting poured. So let's go check it out, guys. What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about pouring a driveway. I wanna know what's it gonna cost for me to pour this freaking driveway. This house right here that cost me $2.5 million. I got a question real quick. How much is a yard of concrete? How much does a yard cover? Comment below, let me know in the comments. How many yards is it gonna take to pour this driveway? I don't even freaking know. Hey dude, what's up, man? Hey, question real quick. How much is a yard right now?
I mean, how much does it cost?
Both. How much does it cost and how much does it cover?
That's a good question, to be honest.
How much does a yard cover?
It's kind of weird. It depends on how deep and how, all of that.
But that carries 9 or 11 yards.
11.
11 yards of concrete. Okay, cool. Well, I figured I'd come out here and see you guys pour it all, man. So thank you. We're gonna roll down here with Bill, the concrete guy. Got a bunch of concrete coming. Looks like they're emptied it out on my driveway. That's nice. So we're gonna figure this whole crap out. Question for you guys. Why am I not going asphalt? Like, asphalt's like almost half the cost. My next door neighbor right there, he poured his driveway out of asphalt, and I know he got a hell of a deal, like 9,000 bucks. Why are we not doing asphalt, right? We got a big pour going on, probably one of the biggest pours you're ever gonna see. First of all, what's the depth? I wanna know, so I want some feedback from you guys. What's the depth of this is gonna be? How many yards are in a truck? We just told you that answer. How many yards is it gonna take to pour this? What's the cost of concrete per yard? And why the hell am I doing it with concrete and rebar instead of the easy, cheap way, asphalt, right? If you want a good business, get into ready-mix concrete. Look at all that concrete being done. Yeah, so they're letting it go. What's the mixture of concrete? It's sand, aggregate, and cement. Portland cement. That's how you make concrete, right? It's a pretty simple process. They're gonna broom it. They're gonna do what is called a broom finish, and they're using a 2x4 to smooth it out. Let's ask our concrete champions over here. Hey dude, I figured we'd do a video on it. I hope this thing looks good. Are you guys putting that, the stuff? Oh, you're putting that right now, nice. Must be nice to having these guys do the hard work, Bill. It looks like they're sweating, dude.
It comes at a cost. That's okay.
That's cool. So hey, how many yards is this job?
120 to 130 on this pour.
120 and 130 yards of concrete. Is that a lot?
That's not bad.
It's not bad. How much is a yard of concrete these days?
About 190.
190. How many guys you got working with you out here?
There's 9 of us out here.
9 of you out here. Is it warm?
No.
What are we doing right here? What's this little?
This is the stencil for the brick border.
Okay, cool.
And it's going to go all the way around.
Is it gonna look nice?
Oh, it's going to look beautiful.
If somebody wants concrete and they want to get a hold of you,
Jersey Boys Concrete, 816-377-3918.
He's taking good care of us. I'm being a little bit demanding on this last one.
Extremely demanding.
Hey, there she is. We just figured we'd come out here and do a little quick video. Long story short is we are pouring a bunch of concrete. So we're doing the math. He said between 120 to 130 yards of concrete. It's 11 yards in a truck. How many trucks is that? It's like a problem solving question for your kids. You divide 130 by 11, which gives you 13 trucks-ish. So between 12 and 13 trucks of concrete that are pouring this thing. If it's 130 yards and it's 200 bucks per yard, how much material cost of that is concrete? $26,000 freaking dollars of just material costs. That doesn't include rebar. That doesn't include labor. So just today is $26,000 in concrete cost. Is that the only thing we spent the money on? No, we already poured this circle driveway. We already poured that. So the question for you I got is, how much money have I spent on this house on concrete? Oh, did I mention I got a freaking foundation and a basement and all that crap? Is it north of $100,000? What is it, 120,000? Could it be 140,000? Could it be 150 freaking thousand dollars? I don't freaking know. And you know what? If you're focused on that, like, you ain't making no money. This is a concrete saw. You always need one of those when you're doing concrete because you gotta cut it. And that's how you cut your lines. And that's how you excavate all your stuff. And this is how you ruin your sod. You park on the seed, and then you have what is called a reseed, and then you do a chargeback to your concrete contractor for parking in your driveway and reseeding it. So that's the trades. Question number 1 for you. Do you like my Eyes Buys Direct turtle frame, or do these look too chicky? I don't know. I like sunglasses, so I was like, let me get it. Big job, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, seems like it to me. I just wonder what my neighbors are thinking right now. Like, dude, are they like, this guy's freaking nuts? I'm sure that's not the first time I've been, called that way. I mean, it's cold out there, man. It's probably about what? Let's just look at our little weather map right now. It is 37 degrees. If you want to get serious about getting in the concrete business, you need to be ready to work in bone chilling cold weather. You need to know how much a yard of concrete costs. You need to know what a broom finish is, how to stencil concrete, and you need to get started investing in real estate so you can afford to buy it. Peace.